Good morning.
Good morning to you. You don't smell like it.
Okay, we can't smell you through the camera.
Yeah, well, I was talking about you, actually.
Oh, well.
I don't smell you. Gotta get my hands clean. Because it's time for not cooking with Jonna. Because
Half cooking with Jonna.
kitchen time.
Kitchen time.
Get all those germs off my hands. Okay, alrighty.
Alright, so
we are making our, what is this called?
Boost
Juice?
Boost
I don't know.
juice. We'll call it Boost Juice.
Well, except they already have something called Boost Juice.
Well, you know what? This is our Boost Juice.
This is our Boost Juice because it is gonna get us awake and ready to do day 3, sort of. 1.5, 1 3/4, 2.5, whatever, day of homeschool. Okay, so we're gonna make a drink.
A drink.
And it's going to be, what's your turn?
Oh, they're wrong. No.
Nope.
Switch drinks there.
Okay.
There you go. Sorry.
So we got some sparkling. I don't know how to pronounce this.
Es Pellegrino Essenza.
Yeah, that.
Probably essentials. Probably what that second word means.
I don't know.
I don't know
anyway,
either.
So we're gonna have that with some Trim Healthy Mama brand, Trim Healthy Naturals.
Orange Oasis for Mom with the blood orange and black raspberry. And then mine is going to be the Blue Skies Colada.
So it's kind of like those Crystal Light or True Lemon packets, but it has good God-made natural sweeteners, not sugar. So we're going to use those and the Baobab Boost Powder, which has antioxidants. It's high in vitamin C, zinc, iron, I think it has in it. A lot of good things that your body needs, especially now that we're currently in flu season, still in COVID season. Never mind. And I almost did something I shouldn't do. Anyway, and it's ragweed season. I'm doing allergy shots, and I just did that like 30 minutes ago. And my throat's
Brandon should have started recording this
already
before.
doing the weird things. So, okay, I'm not sick. It's allergies, promise. Allergies. So, what we're going to do is put...
All right, now I can stand up. I was sitting in this chair.
So, I'm going to use a tablespoon of Baobab Boost in mine. Brandon doesn't get quite as much, so because he doesn't use it every day. But he's going to start. Okay, so...
He's going to attempt to start.
It's also good for just keeping some bodily functions working. It's good for you. It's good for you.
There's no space in this kitchen to record this.
No space. So we're dumping that in there.
Oh, there we go.
I forgot to get a lid. Because we got to shake.
Hopefully this doesn't look weird. You know, no, that wasn't even on. It had your shoulders and up, and that was about it. All right.
Oh, that smells good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. I bet y'all can smell it.
Y'all can't smell it, but imagine a pina colada drink. It's legal.
That's not
It's legal
alcohol.
for all ages. Okay. We're gonna pour it in.
Look at the phone.
Oh, please, someone say something about my pretty tree. Isn't it pretty? That's called a Pier 1 exclusive because Pier 1 is going out of business. Well, sort of. The real Pier 1 is going out of business, but the fake Pier 1 has taken over. I gotta get a lid.
And the small mason jar to mix.
Huh?
Put the ice and water in.
Oh yeah, I will. Gonna shake Brandon's drink. Because just getting a slurp of Baobab powder in your straw not mixed in is kind of not the tastiest. Mix that. Shake. Okay. I'm sure that's good. Not. Okay, I'm ready. Gotta get some ice. And our new refrigerator. It works. It's like amazing. You can actually get ice out of the ice, baby.
We don't listen to that music.
We don't. I did mine first.
That's fine.
I need more ice.
Yeah, I was about to say, I think a little bit more I should do.
Need more ice. More ice. I'm gonna add some water.
Sorry about the camera work. She's not going slow enough.
I forgot. Texans are slow.
Texans are actually not.
We're not slow. What I meant by that.
Inside joke.
Inside joke. I've been told I don't sound Texan because I talk too fast. Okay. Oh, we need
Awesome.
straws.
Yes.
Over here to my straw cabinet. And they're not gonna go in there. Oh, there it goes.
Did you like those randomly placed napkins brought to you by BJ's Box Rates? They're not branded, but you know, I brought them over here.
Brandon.
From right there.
Wow. Good job.
I'm helpful.
Yes, I'm gonna have a drink.
Okay. Oh, let me.
It's sparkling good. Crispy, clean, and no caffeine.
Okay, boomer.
That was, well, if anyone actually watches this and remembers that commercial, chime in the comments and tell us what
Commercial after him, because Brandon's not a boomer like my mom.
he's well on his way. Well on his way. Well
Here,
on his
stir mine now.
I already shook it. Take a drink. It's gonna be delicious.
Now pass the phone. Make sure I'm in it.
Oh dear. Our pantry door. You guys, it's like 50 something degrees outside and I opened the windows. It's lovely out. Maybe
That
tomorrow.
weird face on my nose because I think it just got a big clump of baobab powder in my throat.
It's fine. It's fine.
It's not that bad, y'all. All right.